Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video we're going to open up another monthly subscription from the Dollar Bead box. Now last month I was playing with the Swarovski Rivoli that I got in the box, and I made this really pretty ring here, and unfortunately I accidentally broke the Rivoli, so I had to go into my stash and get one from my stash. But this is the ring that I designed with a 12mm Rivoli, and it turned out beautiful. If you didn't see this tutorial, go to my channel and you'll find it there. And by the way, I do have a ring playlist. I get asked all the time in my videos, what ring are you wearing? Do you have a tutorial on it? Yes. If I am wearing a beaded ring in my videos, I pretty much have a tutorial on that ring. And I think I have over 50 beaded ring tutorials, so go to my YouTube channel and go to my playlist and you'll see ring tutorials. Go there and you'll see all of the ring videos that I have. There's a lot. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I got this yesterday in the mail, and I didn't get the mail until actually this morning, so I guess I forgot it was in the box. Okay, we're gonna do the bag first, just like always. And this month there is a lot of transparent colors, it looks like. Okay, 3mm first. Ooh, I love that one. Alright. So 3mm, the first one is Garnet, which is this one here, and I think last month, maybe the month before, I got a 3mm Garnet, but it was matte. And it actually looked brown. So this one I would say is a very true Garnet color. That's very pretty. Alright, and then there is Crystal Light Copper Amethyst, which I'm pretty sure is this one, because Amethyst is purple. This strand here is really pretty. I love this one. That's pretty. Crystal and Amethyst. And then there's Opaque Turquoise Metallic Blue, which I think I got this one last month, didn't I? In a 4mm and 3mm. I do know that I have a shade that I thought was similar to this one, but it's different, so I don't know. It's a pretty strand. Love the colors. Turquoise is my favorite. And then there is this one here. This is Matte Opaque Light Green. So last month I got this 3mm Czech Fire Polish bead there. And this one does look similar, but this one is matte. So you can see the difference there in the ring. And if you look closely, there's actually little swirls in this bead. I don't know if my camera's showing it, but there is little swirls throughout the bead. It's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the 3mm right there. Now for Matte Jonquil. That's this one here. It's a really nice color. And then there is Siam, which is this one. And I think I have this in 3mm. Very pretty, bright red color. And then there is Light Aqua Half Silver. That's this one. These are gorgeous. Love those. And then there is Sapphire. It's a very sparkly strand. Look how sparkly that one is. Have you guys noticed that some Czech Fire Polish beads are like extremely sparkly, and then there's some that are like dull? Let's see if I have one. That one's sparkly. I've just noticed it before I dropped that on the floor. Now these two are matte, so of course they're not going to be sparkly. This one's sparkly. I don't know, I've just noticed that some strands, it looks like the facets aren't as sharp, so they're not as sparkly. I've just noticed that over the years of having these beads. Okay, now I have to go to the floor and get this strand off the floor, and I'll be back. Ooh, what is that? That's pretty. Okay. Starting with the strands. Oh my gosh. Those are cards. Those are cool. Ooh. I've never played with one of those. That's Swarovski. Okay. Let's see. 3mm cat's eye gemstone. Multicolor. There's 125 pieces on here. When I first started making jewelry, some of the first beads I've gotten, other than seed beads, they were like my first beads, was cat's eye beads. They're so darn cool. And I've also heard them called fiber optic beads, other than cat's eye. They're really neat. I like those. And the ones I have in my stash actually have large holes, like 1mm holes that I can put on the cord if I wanted to. Okay, next thing is 6mm Czech glass Druck mint opal. And I absolutely love this strand. This is incredible. Look at these. Look, it's actually like two-tone. Do you see that there's clear in this bead? There's clear, and then there is that mint color. These are gorgeous. I love these. Those are totally awesome. Okay, and then there is 7x11 Czech glass oval. Olive rainbow iris, 17 pieces. So I have used these before from a $1 bead box. I made a pendant with them. It was blue. It's called medallion pendant, something like that. I think it was blue, bronze, and I think green. It was gorgeous, but these I think are the same exact oval beads that I used for that medallion pendant. If you go to my YouTube channel, go to playlists, go to $1 bead box playlist where I have $1 bead box openings and tutorials. You'll see the pendant there. You can also find it in my necklace playlist, the pendant I'm talking about. It's something medallion pendant. Maybe it's like beaded medallion pendant, but these here were awesome for that project. Okay, now I am looking for 8mm Czech glass fire polish jet. These here, 24. This is great. I do not own any 8mm black Czech fire polish beads. Can you believe that? Out of all the beads I own, I do not own them an 8mm black. Those are pretty. Okay. And then 4mm Czech glass Druck. That's these here. Brown travertine. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm gonna wait for my camera to focus. They're really beautiful. Look at that color. There's specks of blue and green throughout the beads. They're gorgeous. Love those. And then there is, let's see, where's it at? Druck. 6mm glass pyramid. Opaque white bronze luster. I have never seen these before. 20 pieces. These are strange. So the hole is going through the top instead of the side like with the other pyramid beads. And there's actually 3 sides, not 4. 4 sides. These are really unusual. What in the world am I going to make with these? Okay, the last thing is 6mm Czech glass flower, red with rainbow iris, 20 pieces. Oh, these are bright. I love this color. It actually looks just like my nail polish. It's called red with rainbow iris. I don't think these look red. Maybe it's the iris is making them not look red to me. It's like a hot pink. These are cute, and the detail on them is amazing. I love those. And I do have tutorials showing how to use flowers like these. I have a ring that I've done with this, and also a bracelet. It was like a flower vine bracelet that I did with flower beads like this. Okay, so those are all of the strands, and now I'm going on to the additional items. So now I'm looking for 16 by 24mm 3-strand pewter connector. That's these here. So I've gotten these in bronze and in copper from the dollar bead box, and now I have them in silver, and they're really good quality. I love these connectors. They're thick and they have a beautiful design on them. So now it's 20mm Chinese character pewter with antique copper. This, yes, one piece. So it's a Chinese symbol. It's neat. Actually, wonder if a crystal can be put in right there. And then I'm looking for 20mm Czech glass elephant, these here. And I think this is the 4th time we've gotten these Czech beads. I've got them in turquoise with silver, turquoise with gold, or bronze. And then I got this dark color, and I think there was silver on it. And now it's the dark blue with gold, and these are fantastic. Look at how gorgeous they are. These beads are so pricey. I love them. Okay, I just don't need to drop them. I've been dropping things lately. Now I'm looking for 16mm pewter toggle, antique copper. This is a big toggle. Oh, look, the color. It's very pretty. And then I'm looking for Swarovski Chaton. And then it goes on to article 1088 limited edition SS39. Sea Mist is the color. That is pretty. I've never made anything with chatons before. So basically it's like a diamond. A brilliant cut diamond. That's a really pretty stone. Okay, and then brass ear wires. These here. Antique copper plated. And it's a very dark copper. Those are nice. And then I'm looking for 6x11mm Czech glass leaf. These here are transparent green. These are gorgeous. They're actually, I would say they're teal. They look teal to me. I've made flowers with these, beaded flowers. And there is a bunch in here. Let's see, there's 12 pieces. So there's enough to make 2 flowers in here. And of course you have to use other petal beads, daggers, teardrops, and stuff like that to make them. But I have several tutorials where I've done beaded flowers using leaves like this. The next thing is 10x13mm Czech glass spade charm. Jet with whitewash. 5. These are so darn cool. Where's the hole on them? What? Where's the hole? Is that the hole? I think that might be the hole right there. Yeah, I'm thinking so. It's just clogged up. I'll have to get a needle and try to clear the hole out, but I imagine they would have to put a hole in it, right? Yeah, so I'll check into that and see. I think it might be clogged up with the finish they put on there, but those are neat. I'll set that to the side and I'll check that and I'll come back and tell you. So the last thing here is hand-painted large hole porcelain beads, round. Beige with khaki. 3 pieces. These are pretty. I really like working with ceramic beads. I actually have a whole box now just ceramic beads. Those are pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and find a needle to put in those beads and see if I can clear a hole out in them, because I want to know if that's the hole or not, because I don't see a hole in the sides of them at all. Yeah, I don't see a hole. So that has to be the hole right there. So I'll be back. So I was right. This is the hole for this little, they're calling it a charm. So I put my bead all through here and I cleared it out. So they're all clogged. And so you'll probably have to do that, clear yours out too, so you can use them. And I think I'm going to do wire with these. I would put wire through them, and I would do a wire wrap like for a briolette if I'm going to use these in jewelry. But these are pretty cool. I'm wondering if they have the other cards to this. That would be really neat. This is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.